To get started with a Revolut multi-currency account, first download the Revolut app from the App Store and sign up for an account. This process typically requires providing some personal details and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, you will receive a physical debit card in the mail, which can be used to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. The next step is to add funds to your account, which can be done via bank transfer, credit or debit card, or other payment methods. It is essential to note that Revolut offers real-time exchange rates, allowing you to exchange your money into different currencies at competitive rates. After adding funds, you can start using your account to make international transactions. Revolut allows you to hold and exchange multiple currencies, including US dollars, euros, and British pounds, among others. This feature is particularly useful for travelers, as you can avoid high foreign transaction fees and exchange rates. To make an international transaction, simply go to the Payments tab in the app, select the currency you want to use, and enter the recipient's details. You can also use the app to set up recurring payments, such as utility bills or subscriptions. Another key feature of Revolut is the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card, which can be done instantly in the app. This is useful if you lose your card or suspect any suspicious activity on your account. Additionally, Revolut offers a range of budgeting and analytics tools, allowing you to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. In terms of security, Revolut is a licensed e-money institution, which means that your funds are protected and secure. The app also uses two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your account and transactions. Overall, a Revolut multi-currency account is a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your international finances. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features, you can make the most of your account and enjoy a seamless and hassle-free experience.